Hello, everyone, and welcome to New York Open today, 8th of April 2022. I think you are very well aware of what is happening in markets. We're going to go through that, and then it's going to be a very short stream today. So, whoever is here today, very much welcome. I appreciate you, every single one of you. Now, let's see if we can do that and that and that and that and that and then that. So cool. Now I'm just going through adding it to to all the different chats I'm in, or what do you call it, Discord groups, Telegram groups, whatever groups, and ciao. See who is coming in first, who is there today. Right now I really would just want to. It's our finale. Hello, Zerg. Hi. So what I want to say first today is it's been a difficult. It's going. It's been a difficult week per se, but I'm close to taking vacation soon. I just don't know if I should do that next week. All the kids will be away from school, and it will be Easter soon. And maybe it's a better coming back, better prepared and better everything. So but yeah, hello everyone. And I was thinking today that the first one that showed up should maybe get $20. So Arfin, if you feel like you want $20, you can send me your PayPal account, PayPal link, whatever you call it. And cool. Nothing else attached. You shoot up first. That's what happens. All right. Today we are just gonna go through the markets, and we're all going through the markets done like that. Cool. So, 17 people said that they wanted me to go live today, so I'm gonna go live today, and then 13. Sorry. So yeah, cool. S&P 500. I have bought that at 105, 45.05, like there, something like that yesterday. It's not perfect. It's okay. It's been. I think everyone's been told. There's even a comment as to don't know why people are bullish, but Bliss, have jokes on that. But so please respect other people's opinions. If not, you'll be kicked. That's one thing, and then I am expecting it to go higher, but of course, we are coming into, to London Open, a London session soon, and of course, I expect this to happen, but if it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen, then there's nothing else to do. But, yeah, so far so good, at least. So far so good.
This video/stream is sponsored by Trader Central. Trader Central provides funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade software, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusive for communicating with trader friends. Sign up now using the link in the description and get up to 30% off on your first plan.
For those who has signed up for Trader Central and it's wanted to get funded, thank you for supporting this stream. Now, the thing is here, people, DXY has hit target for the week, and it hasn't stopped, which is interesting, and a bit worrisome, that we don't have a pullback. That's what I want to see. I want to have a pullback now so we can buy it again. So that it just continues in its line. Okay, can't do anything about that. It is what it is. But it only needs a short here and then continuing lower. Before you can buy it back on Monday. Euro, as Mr. Paul asked for euro dollar, so I can gladly tell you that we have hit target for this week. That means we are at the projected low of the week. That doesn't mean it will never go lower. It just means that this week right now market should take profit and go back up again. It also means that if you're a seller, you're thinking, well, what if it comes up to 109.50 and then down like that? So right now, you know, that's what you can look forward to as a buyer. But you've also got a lot of on a seller in Eurodollar. Yeah, I've got a lot of sells this week, and hasn't been easy, hasn't been straightforward. Let's call a spade for a spade. But right now, it's a bit of a question mark. Is it going to go back up again as we want to? So we can go back lower? Or is it, like that? So, yeah, I think that's okay. To wait for a pullback, it's what we should do always. And then if it doesn't, then you should have your monthly trade on. If not, if you don't feel to cater for your FOMO. Pound dollar today is flying lower. We are coming down to the weekly target, and I was expecting this one to go higher, so that's a bummer. So that's 1-1. It's 2-1. I'm right on dollar, I'm right on euro, but I'm wrong on pound dollar so far. That's kind of what I was hoping for this week. And we're now closing down to target for the week. And okay, fair enough. That's okay. Can't complain. And then we will see what happens next week. Now, if we continue this bearish trend, we would go up to 13.17 next week and continue lower. So right now you're looking into hitting your stop loss as we speak. No, sorry, hitting your take profit as a seller. But that hasn't been my bias. I'm not really going to cater more for that idea more than that. So what could happen next is now that we finally have broken lower, we have done something. We are now, market is then more likely to go lower than going higher again. But it's just take one day by one day, and adapt to the situation that's been given to you by the market. Use the yen, okay? As mentioned in numerous lives, in numerous day trading, daily setup, that was your entry. Even today, that was your entry. And boom. The trade has been going fantastically, and that's probably one thing you can take away from this week is I have continuously made bullish trade plans here, and it has gone higher. But yeah, that's that. Okay. Fair enough then. So really going higher right now is really important. And then on Monday, you're just gonna look for another higher low. I mentioned CAD yen yesterday, people. It's on the run. Okay? You hear me? You copy? CAD yen is on the run. Hello, Harold. Hello, Joran. Hello, Ado. The next thing to do today is trying to catch one of these more pound yen moves. I'm still waiting for the higher high and the yen moves higher. So I'm just waiting for a higher high here. Nothing else than that. I'm just focused. Nothing, no other hocus pocus filucus. Just patiently waiting for that one to go higher. There is my my buy entry that I never got to do, but you know, it is what it is. Aussie yen, higher higher low. Again, hasn't broken out yet. Still waiting. This can break lower to the lower side though, so be a bit patient. CAD yen breaking out right now, as mentioned earlier. It does have oh yeah, true. It had some good news. It had some news coming out like right now. So unemployment rate is 5.3, participation rate is 67. Change in employment is lower. So it's really difficult. Maybe I should go back to bed. It's really an interesting divergence there. Watching the fear merchant on Bloomberg, busy night with Russian drama. Yeah, and the sadness of that is that the market is playing that less and less. That's necessarily no longer a driver of the market. And the fear that the war is going to escalate into Europe is de-escalating, but we're also beyond the peak financial stress, as the VIX index is much lower than earlier in March. And the war is first and foremost a humanitarian crisis, and not necessarily a financial crisis, as it could have led into if also Europe and NATO was going to be a part of it. Next week we also have ECB, so just have that heads up there. So I mentioned for everyone yesterday, I think it was, not for everyone, mostly everyone, that, bullish bias on this one. USD bullish bias, Euro yen waiting for it to go higher, I guess, more than anything else, and New Zealand yen hoping for it to go higher soon. But I think the China fears is driving it lower, so just have to wait a bit. Oil went down below 100 and is now pulling a bit back, but also is in a range kind of thing, where you so far is thinking, well, where's it going to go next? What's your theory here? And you would like it to be here as a seller. As a buyer, you want to see that happening next week. As a seller, you want to see that one happening, but then continuing lower. So right now, I would like it to go higher. And then in the weekly forecast tomorrow, we're gonna make our move. But I want it to go higher generally though, so I want to see that happening. I don't know if I will, but that's kind of what I want to see. We can go through US 30. US 30, as mentioned yesterday. I mentioned that in the daily setups yesterday, where we made a high, came back to support, clear buy as clearly a buy can go. We're coming back up again, and that's a clear buy as a clear buy is called. Stop loss below here. Take profit, I don't know right now where it's supposed to be, but I can double. It's pretty far up though. It's pretty far up. 36,000. 36,600 is the target. So, pretty high. So right now, I would say that in my personal opinion, that is only my personal opinion only, that we have the first signs of a bullish market. Potential bullish market. But on the other side, you also want to see continuation higher highs, and you do not want to see market below here. You don't want market to go below here. You want to see market going that, and then higher. Okay? Good on you. Good on you. Do I see the resistance it has come up to? Yes, and I'm not blind. But that's not in my fear book. I don't care. All right. Afrin Ali, are you still there? If you're still there, please make your comment. And please find your way into my Discord, and please find your way into my DMs. Okay? Let's see if I can do that. He left, maybe. Yeah, I heard myself back on this stream, and I'm like, why is it so low? Okay, cool. There. Now, is that better? That should be good enough. That should be good enough. Cool. So, what's the next deal then? Nothing else? Everything is normal. We have done UCN, sir. And sir, if you didn't buy it this morning, then you didn't do a job. We talked about this one yesterday in the daily setups. And I said higher high, higher low by 123.80. And there's your entry. There's your entry. Clear to blue, 50 pips in profit. I can only say it's because of China fears more than anything else. Because of lockdowns and whatever they're doing over there. Okay, Ollie, cool. I will pay it forward. I'll pay it forward. So today, kindness was spread in this stream. What else are we doing? Whoosh. Pound is really falling today. Okay. Get your take profit ready, people. Get your take profit ready for pound dollar sells. Dollar still rising in a very good manner, actually. And I hope that New York is going to take it down so we can take it up next week. I don't know what you mean, Franco. That's all. USD CAD, nothing to do. USD Aussie Yen, nothing to do. CAD Yen, maybe look for a buy. USD NOK should be low today. It's a bit lower than yesterday, actually. So that was a buy from yesterday. They went into profit. Boom. So that was a profitable theory. Today it has a new possible entry. I'm not going to take that right now, though. I'm just going to leave that alone. But that's technically another potential buy. But it's a bit late, so I don't like it. What I want to say today is there's ECB next week. Dow is still bullish. CAD is strong and going to continue strong. USD NOK is coming down to a low for a buy. I have bought S&P 500 and that's a lot of sellers. And I'm gonna keep watching that, and then until next time, hope you have a fantastic day. I will go and do something else, and I'll see you soon. Okay? Cool? Boom.